Alright guys, we're just out in a state forest here with my cousin. We're going out hunting tomorrow. So it's Friday afternoon, we've just come out near Oberon. Gonna set up our tents for the night, or swags rather, and go hunting for tomorrow, which is Saturday, and Sunday as well. I do believe we're going to be out looking for red stags, which will be rather fun to even see one. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Hi guys, we're still at our campsite here. We've just set ourselves up, so we've got our table over here, camp chairs, got the fire going. We want to start cooking something soon. And we've got our two swags. That's cousin Ben's and then mine, pretty much the same. This one's called the King's Big Daddy Deluxe double swag. It's really quite nice. Haven't tried it before out in the wilderness like this, but yeah, should be good. Should be good. Just out here by our campfire, just finished a nice sausage sizzle on our campfire today. I'm just gonna hang out here with cousin Ben. Indeed. Until the campfire goes dead, really, and go to bed. Anyway, we'll catch you in tomorrow. Morning guys. Up now, just about 6:30 in the morning. Just make myself a sneaky coffee while Ben's still asleep. But we just got over the back here. Sun rising ever so slightly. And we've still got the moon out up here. So a little bit before dawn at the moment. We're gonna have ourselves a sneaky coffee and prep one from the trek this morning. Alright. Just started our hunt out here this morning. Just following ourselves a little old car trail. It gives us a view of the sides of the mountains here into the national bush. Or native bush rather. We'll see if we can find ourselves any deer or something else cool to look at and see how we go. Had to take ourselves a little detour and we're going through the pine forest now. Just trying to keep quiet because we haven't been through here yet. But it's really quite pretty. It's really green out here in the pine trees. Ben. But yeah, let's see if we can't find ourselves a red deer in here. I think it's okay. Lost the road.
There was a road along here somewhere.
Okay. Well, it looks like it is that way, but
Yeah.
not really the other way. Just walking along the track here, and we definitely spotted ourselves a snake in front of us. A little black fella, if we can see it. Try and go around his right hand side.
I wouldn't mind if it took off.
Yeah. Not my cup of tea until walk past him, but you know. I can run if I need to. Could do with a stick though to poke him if he comes over.
You're not wrong.
He's a pretty big-ish fella.
Like if we just chuck it at it so it takes off.
Or if it takes off down the road, mate. Oh, there he goes.
I'm not seeing any red.
He looks brown under to me, but
Yeah.
nonetheless, if he goes that way, I'm all too happy for it.
Yeah, I don't think that's a red belly.
See you, buddy. Don't come back. Thank you, friend, for clearing the path. Appreciate that. Have a good day.
We were just saying, what a nice campsite.
Yeah, no thanks. You know, thinking about it though, there could be some up near ours too.
Oh yeah. Did you close your swagger?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, that was well spotted by us, and I would have walked a few more steps before I saw him.
Yeah, I've been keeping an eye after that one in the other walk I've been on. I've been keeping my eyes open so hard. I don't want nothing to do with a snake. Freaking just walking along here, we've seen these, I don't know, group of caterpillars just hanging out in the tree here all together. So gross, to be quite honest. Anyway, gotta continue our trek. No luck so far on finding a red deer or a wombat or a kangaroo even. Haven't seen anything except for a snake. A couple birds. But it's only just past 10. 10:17. So we're hopeful. We've still got plenty of light. Wow, there's a big waterfall down there. Wonder if you can see it on the GoPro. Probably not. Trying to go real quiet here so that we can spend some time waiting for deer on the other side here. Other side of the hill. Black parrot just went past. Stop here for a bit, mate. There's a road over there. Alright, let's do it. Making our way up this good old hill here. Came from all the way down yonder and you can't even see. But it goes further that way too. Was it? That's good. It wasn't here. It's not too different, but it's definitely not the same one. Yeah. Ah, look at that, another hill. Joy.